house music.
Look what the cat dragged in. Look what the cat dragged in. Look what the cat dragged in. Look what the cat dragged. Cream of the crop shit. I got chicks who scheming to what gigs. They feeling my hot shit. BB wanna lean in my cockpit. Feeling my chopstick. Diabetes, feeding the chocolate. Beating it off shit. Have a threesome, peas in the pot shit. I'm a beat artist, I done it bareback, I take chances. Straight nasty, I ain't glassing. I'm a breast man, but I rate arses. Late parties, but I ain't dancing. Cavossy ain't filling up 8 glasses. VIP shit, 8 passes. Something freaky for me to take part in. Look at the swag, that's him. Holla man, who gets the mad stacks in? Look at his kicks and the hats matching. Look what the cat dragged in.
Happy birthday, Jess.
Happy birthday, Jess.
Birthday, Jess.
Okay, Jessica, have a good day.
Happy birthday, Jess.
Happy birthday, Jess.
Happy birthday, Jess.
Happy birthday, Jess. Have a wonderful day. I hope you get loads of presents.
Happy birthday.
Birthday, Jess. Hope you have a good day.
Birthday, Jess.
Hi, Jess. Happy birthday. Love, Alex and Michelle.
Happy birthday, Jess.
How hard it
Bet
is.
you never wish this went floppy on you. I'll keep you up next time, and when you're not on your period, so I don't have red fingers. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jess. Happy birthday. 19, getting old. Play FIFA, Ollie.
It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun, it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. But I've seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I'll find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's cold again. 'Cause I have other things to fill my time. You take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me at the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and block my ears. I can see where those orphans through my tears, and know my call despite my faults and despite